Hey guys, we are here at Cummings Park. It's in Tacoma. There's all these like little, that is kind of weird that somebody drove over them. There's all these little, what are they called, love? I don't know what those are. Look at, that was a nice haircut. I wonder if there were. But there's a bunch of them. So yeah, this is in Tacoma. It's so pretty and peaceful. Yeah, guys, this.
If it was more clear, you'd be able to see.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, that is so crazy. That mountain. Well, it's a volcano. Yeah, guys, this street is really neat. You drive the whole thing around, and there's just restaurants and little places to eat and little piers like this, like all around it. And over this way, there's Mount Rainier, that huge thing. In like downtown Tacoma. We're actually out here today because I have a doctor's appointment. Pretty far from where we live, but not too far, but it was the only place open. Ooh, so peaceful. Oh my God, and there's some beautiful houses just facing the water. It's so calm. We're just over there. And then we just came around and walked right here. Guys, now we're down, I don't know what this little, almost reminds me like of a place that they call like a district. Oh, it's called Point Ruston. It's really cute. There's a bunch of little shops, and there's a bunch of people who live here because there's a bunch of like apartments and stuff, so they have even like doctor's offices. It's almost like a little town. And then they live right off the water. The water is literally right over here. It's really pretty. We're looking for a coffee place.
Coffee shop.
A coffee shop. Let's see. Oi! Coffee. Gentry's Footwear.
Looks so pretty.
Okay, guys, we got a mocha. I got the same thing that Jesus always gets from Anthem Coffee. Hey guys, welcome back. Jesus is taking pictures.
What's up, guys?
I look kind of funny. We are at a trail. It's called the Woodard Bay. And it's low tide right now. So normally in here, all right here, this has water completely to right here where right here. But yeah, it's low tide, so the water's pretty low. The water sounds nice, huh? How it's coming through that thing. It says it's kind of a long walk. I think it says it's gonna take like an hour to finish. I think that's total.
Not bad. It's long way.
There's like some people, I go onto the, if anybody does trails, we have an app called All Trails. And it tells anywhere you live. It's really cool. It tells you where all the trails are. And people do, you could put your reviews on it, and also they upload pictures, and it tells you can even pay for like the pro. And while you're on the trail, it like navigates with you, all that. It's pretty neat. That's hilarious, you guys. It says, please walk quietly and step carefully. Some of us sleep during the day and some of us aren't fast enough to get out of your way. Watch for nettles. My slime will numb the sting, but is all that goo worth it? Guys, we're still walking on the trail, and there's a bunch of mushrooms. Look at it. Mushrooms always remind me of when I was little. In our yard where I used to live, there was always the mushrooms. Look at that one, Love. Look at this one.
Oh, it like bloomed open.
Mm-hmm.
That is so interesting.
There's a bunch of them. Okay. Wonder why. I'm gonna look this way. This is a separate part of the trail that we were on. It breaks off into this. It's nice. They have like a little seating area. And there's more view over there. We came from right there. Look at how pretty. Oh my god. And the tide is starting to come in. It was way lower than that. My god, guys, it's so beautiful. When I tell you nature is life, literally get out and enjoy nature, because if you've never taken a trip to Washington, it's definitely a must. Oh yeah, I didn't see those little guys. Walk that way. There's a little duck over there. He's eating. The ducks are so pretty. Look at how pretty they are. Yeah, guys, the water literally comes out all this flat. That's how high it comes up. And it has like the smell is like mossy.
Wow. That's where we're parked over there. Right where we drove.